This year, the United States Army turned 250 years old, and the birthday celebration? One for the history books. Over 6,000 soldiers marched through the heart of the nation's capital, not in perfect robotic formation, but with purpose, pride, and personality. These weren't goose-stepping automatons like we see in authoritarian regimes. This was America. Soldiers of every background, male and female, every race, religion, and political belief, united in one mission: to serve and protect. Infantry, artillery, armor, cavalry, each played their part in this massive display. No one branch overshadowed another. Everyone had a role. Army musicians filled the air with patriotic anthems. And then, a moment of pride for the nation, Lee Greenwood brought the crowd to its feet. And when he sang "God Bless the USA," there wasn't a dry eye in sight.
From the lakes of Minnesota to the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from sea to shining sea, Detroit to Houston, and New York to LA. There's pride in every American heart, and it's time we stand and say, sing it with me. I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free, and I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me, and I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there is no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. Light up your cell phone. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA.
President Trump administered the oath of enlistment to a group of new recruits, young Americans raising their right hands to defend the Constitution.
Left. Hey! Mr. President, First Sergeant Norton reporting for duty, sir. Ready to commence the ceremony as directed.
I state your name. Do solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States of America against all enemies, foreign and domestic.
The day ended in fireworks, red, white, and blue streaks lighting up the sky as a reminder of what we stand for and what we're willing to fight for. This parade wasn't meant to intimidate, it was meant to reassure. To remind every citizen that if the day comes, our military is ready, equipped, trained, united. This is not a faceless military machine. These are real people, our neighbors, our friends, our sons and daughters. The Army spends nearly $2 billion a year on recruitment. This parade? Just $45 million. And after watching it, many believe the return on investment will be enormous. It sent a message to every young person watching. Service is noble. America still stands for something worth defending. After years of uncertainty, our armed services are back on track, renewed, focused, and ready to support and defend the Constitution against all enemies, foreign and domestic. For 250 years, the Army has marched forward. And now, stronger than ever, it continues to stand watch for all of us.